This is a dynamic pie chart. For example, Detroit, 18K the sales. If you go to San Diego, here 20K, and LA 73K, see that the size of the pie is proportional to the sales. You also can filter the information based on sales. For example, here, let's restrict it for over 30K, only few cities, or let's restrict it more. Let's see how to create this graphic in Tableau. Let's drag longitude to columns and the latitude to rows. Let's drag a category to marks, city, country, and the state. And the category, let's put color. And the automatic, let's change to pie. Let's drag sales and change here to size. Let's create the filter now. Go to down arrow here, create calculate field, and let's type exclude category based on the sum of sales, and OK. Let's now drag calculation 1 to filter, and OK because it's the sum, and OK again. Now right click in the sum and choose show filter. The filter is here.